If Reddit isn't loading, showing errors, or won't open at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fixes that actually help during an outage, and how to tell if the problem is on your side or Reddit's. First, check whether Reddit is actually down. Open a browser and go to downdetector.com and search for Reddit. If you see a big spike in reports, that means the issue is on Reddit's end, and there's no permanent fix. You'll just need to wait until their servers stabilize. In that case, I'll show you a few temporary workarounds in a moment. If Down Detector looks normal, the problem might be local. Start by restarting the Reddit app or refreshing the website. If that doesn't work, fully close the app and reopen it. On desktop, close the browser completely and open it again. Next, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Reddit, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Don't clear data unless you want to log out. On iPhone, uninstall the Reddit app, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the App Store. If you're on a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, clear recent browsing data, then reload Reddit. Also try opening Reddit in an incognito or private window to rule out extension issues. Now check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you can. Restart your router, and if you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs often cause Reddit to throw internal server or connection errors during outages. If Reddit partially loads, but images or comments won't open, this usually means Reddit's content delivery network is overloaded. Using old.reddit.com can sometimes work better during outages, so try that in your browser. Another quick fix is logging out and back in. If the login page fails, that's another sign the problem is server side and not your account. If none of these steps work and Down Detector still shows reports coming in, the best option is to wait. Reddit outages usually resolve within minutes to a few hours. Following Reddit's official status page or their Twitter account can help you track updates. Once Reddit comes back online, update the app to the latest version to avoid future issues, and avoid using VPNs unless necessary. If this video helped you get Reddit working again, drop a like and share it with someone else who's stuck, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.